Hello friends, welcome you all in Mechanical CAD room. Hope you are doing well. So at bottom right corner you can see I am using millimeter as the unit of length. So click on front plane, click on sketch and draw a circle of diameter 160 mm. Here I am using mouse gestures to give the dimension. I also have explained it in my 7th lecture of this series. So let's draw a line, vertical line, pure vertical line. Okay, select. Now go on circular sketch pattern and here select this line and enter 38. I am designing a sprocket, modeling a sprocket actually of 38 teeth. So choose the vertical line, the first vertical line, and give it a offset of 2 mm, and here add dimension. You have to check the box. Now again give the offset to the second line, and this time you have to reverse the offset. Remember this, to check the reverse and click OK. Now go to the circle command and draw a circle of arbitrary dimension, let's say first, and now select the circle and the line, give it a tangent relation. Again select the circle and the line, the second line, and make it tangent also. Now give it a dimension of 8.9 mm diameter. Okay, now go to the trim command. I have changed my mouse gestures also, you can see later. So for now trim these edges, these unnecessary edges right now, and now go to the fillet command and put here 1 mm fillet, and you have to select the lines. Okay, don't go directly to the edge point. You just have to select these lines you can see on the screen and click yes and click OK. Now you have rounded edges. Now go to the line command and from this point to the arbitrary length select, draw a line, select the circle and the line, and you will see the tangent relation here. Now draw another line and give that line again a tangent relation to the circle like this. Okay, so you have two lines and you have gave the tangent relation. Now go to the trim command. Here you can see I have modified the mouse gesture, and you can now trim these unnecessary edges right now, the lines, curves, etc. You can see on the screen. So just trim these lines. Okay, one by one trim all of these, and you will have the geometry like this. So okay, also trim the lines. Now you have this geometry. Now you have to use again the fillet command to give a fillet of 0.5 mm. Here enter 0.5, and now you have to select these points. Now you can directly select these points as well and click OK. Here you can see we have utilized successfully the trim command. Now fillet command. Now we again go to the fillet command. Now select the trim. Here you will see how to utilize the trim command. We have to remove all the unnecessary lines from here. All these lines trim one by one, and the remaining circumference of the circle as well, like this. Okay, now we have to remove all these lines. Select these lines and press delete from keyboard. Yes to all, and the lines have been deleted. So this is actually the geometry. We will use circular sketch pattern again and enter 38. First select these all lines, these all geometry, and here you will see I'm putting 38 here and click OK. So you will see a sprocket of 38 tooth. This is the final geometry till now. Now we will utilize circle command to draw the inside geometry, and here we will enter the circle of 65 dia. Here I'm gonna using again mouse gesture. Actually this makes the work faster and faster in SolidWorks if you are using it. So here I have entered 65 diameter. Again enter an arbitrary circle and give it a dimension of 96 diameter. Here you can see I am entering here 96 diameter. Now draw a line. Here you can see how it is too super easy to draw a line with mouse gesture. Okay, select this line and the outer circle and make. Okay, so this is actually what we have done is we just make it for geometry. Okay, so draw a circle like this and give it a dimension of 12 So we have made line and circle for construction, and here we are entering 12 diameter circle, and this circle must be coincident with the uh, circle of 96 diameter. Now we will again utilize the circular sketch pattern to pattern the circle to enter the four circle. Okay, so first draw a line like this and give it like the geometric construction geometry relation, and now enter a angle, give it an angle of 45 degree. Enter here 45 like this, 45 degree, click enter. Now you can see that we have given the dimension to this circle. Here using circular sketch pattern and entities to pattern, select the circle and enter 4 here, click OK. So now you have to select the center point of the circles, just one point, and select the circle, give it a coincident relation, make coincident. Okay, so now what you will do, go to the concentric arc slot, select the origin point, and at a arbitrary height draw the arc like this and give the dimension to define it properly. So here I am entering the dimension from center to these 2 points and give it a dimension of angle 25 degree here. Just put 25 like this, click OK. So now give a length of 50 from center point of the arc slot to the origin point. Here enter 50 click OK. Now give a radius of 8 to this. Now make the vertical, the origin point and the center point of the arc slot, make it vertical. So now you can see it is fully defined. The arc is fully defined now. Okay, now again go to the circular sketch pattern, and here you have to select the arc and uncheck the dimensions radius here and click OK. Now you see the geometry. Now utilize the extrude command and give an extrude length of 7.5 mm. Put here 7.5 mm and click OK. So you can see the final geometry is ready, and here the 38 tooth sprocket is in front of you. You can see how easy it was, and make the background as plain white like this. Now you can save it. Click here and save as. I am saving it in SolidWorks part file, entering here Sprocket and click save. Now you can see at the top the name of Sprocket is visible here. Hope you enjoyed it. Thank you so much.